It's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I have two new fragrances from Dossier. I'm so happy to show y'all these. If you've been following me for a minute, you already know how I feel about Dossier. Let me tell you a little bit about Dossier if you're not familiar with them. Dossier makes replicas of high-end fragrances and colognes for a fraction of the price. Their fragrances start at $29, $39, $49, and they smell amazing. They smell just like the original fragrances that they're duplicating. Also, if you're not satisfied with your fragrance, you can send a fragrance back to the company and you'll receive it for a refund. So you go ahead and get you a fragrance, smell it, wear it for a couple days, and if you don't like it, just go ahead and send it back. Dossier came up with this new concept. It might not be new to some people, but they're doing a layering effect. So you can put two perfumes on at one time and you make your own custom fragrances. So today they sent me over two fragrances that I'm excited to try. The first one we're going to talk about is Gourmand White Flowers. And this is a replica of Flower Bomb. Flower Bomb brings back so many memories. My mother used to wear this years ago. So it reminds me of my mother and it smells amazing. Let's read some of the notes in here. The top notes are bergamot, green tea, and berries. Middle notes, white flowers, orchid, rose. Base note is musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. And it's 18% concentration. I already know how to smell. Like I said, my mother used to wear this all the time. So let me go ahead and spray this on. I can't even describe what it smells like. It smells like musky flowers, if that makes sense. But in a good way. It smells so good. And the next fragrance that they pair together with it is Florental Vanilla. And I just love how the bottle was nice and simple and sleek. Top is magnetic. Ooh, won't even come off. Magnetic top. Snaps right back on. They also have the notes written right here. Your top notes, middle note, and your bottom notes. So if you forget, it's right here on the bottle for you. Florental Vanilla is a dupe for YSL Black Opium. This is 15% concentration. And let's read some of their notes. Top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice. Middle notes, jasmine, orange blossom. Base notes, cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. Now this fragrance, I'm not even gonna lie, I had my eye on this one for a couple years, the original YSL. I even bought it for my mother for like Mother's Day one year. But to me, I felt like for the price, it didn't last as long. So when I saw Dossier pairing it with another fragrance, I was like, okay, if they pair it together, then maybe the smells together will last longer. And it does, because I already wore this combination the other day and it smells so freaking good. I got so many compliments. So let's go ahead and spray it on. I like to spray my perfume. Sometimes I put it on my clothes, sometimes I don't. But I like to spray it on my wrists, up and down my arms, on the back of my ears, and on my neck. That's where I like to spray my fragrances. So, whew, it smells good. You want to go give somebody a hug, they can smell you, bring it all in, it just smells so freaking good. The combination of these perfumes smells so good. They complement each other perfectly. They have the perfect mix of floral mixed with sweet, mixed with a little musk, and it just smells so freaking good. I love these two fragrances together. Don't forget to check out Dossier. I'll leave my 10% off coupon code down in the description box below. It's Amir10. Go ahead and get you some Dossier. Don't forget to use my 10% off coupon code if you want to save a couple coins, because I'm all about a budget and saving coins. So go ahead and use my 10% off if you want to save too. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this weekly's vlog. Hey y'all, just finished blow drying my hair. I'm doing a whole video talking about how I took my hair out and everything. I'll leave the link to that right here. But, oh my gosh, it's so hot. The hair's grown a lot, I think. I'm going to put my hair in 4 jumbo twists. My mother is coming over to help trim the back of my hair. So, before my hair revert back, today is Monday. I I started taking my plaits out Friday. So it has been a 4-day journey, and I'm still not done because, like I said, I gotta wait till my mother come over to trim my hair, and I still have to style it, which I think I'm gonna flat iron it, silk press it, whatever you want to call it. Dress would make it better. I tried to work it away, but that just made me rushing because I'm getting dressed, getting ready for a brunch with my man. I just took the tag off this shirt. I bought it last year, but I never wore it. Really cute. I'm gonna stand up and show y'all how it look in a second. God damn it! I gotta go get my combs so I can unwrap my hair. I wore my hair curly one time, and I just didn't feel like keep pen curling it every day, so I just been wrapping it. I think I'm just gonna wear it straight down with a pony part down the middle. I don't even care. I like the texture. I didn't want it to be bone straight anyway, so this texture is giving me life. I know you can't see because I got my black shirt on, but my hair has grown a lot. It's right here. Well, I don't know. It's been the same for the last couple years, but that's fine. As long as I'm able to retain length. Put this little lippy on. This is Mertz lip gloss and Sangria. Alright, let me spray my perfume on and head out the door. Okay, let's go, y'all. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. These jeans are, what's the American Beauty? What's that girl name? Khloe Kardashian brand, American something. I don't know. But they are super comfortable. I love these jeans. And this little shoulder pad top from Zara. Got some earrings on from Annalisa and my bracelet. Yeah, it's frizzy. Just wanna having brunch with my baby, and they're known for their French toast. I usually get a Catholic French toast when I come here, so I'm gonna show y'all. It was so good. I cannot wait to try this up. No, if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but parts of you rule my world. I even dream of you. I swear. So hungry, y'all. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. I love you, girl. Just wanna be your girl. Just wanna be your Just wanna be your Made it back in the house, and this is our takeout we got from Georgia Peach. I got smothered turkey wings. They really smothered those. Some yams and some greens. He got some fried chicken and double mac and cheese. And I got some cornbread muffins. I don't know where they at right now. But I'm about to stir this up. Need some pepper, something a little too white. Yeah, Nino. As always, want to make his appearance. They don't want to make his appearance. Oh, that looks so good. Alright, let me eat my food.